Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin lights a festival fire marking the opening of Barak Spring Festival 2017. Commerce and Industry Minister T.H. Biswajit launches a Banana Fiber Development Center at CSIR, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Manipur. Forest and Environment Minister Thongnawjam Shyamkumar appeals to people to safeguard wild animals and trees. And 5 councillors of Wangjing Municipal Council, including its chairperson, joins BJP. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Prime Time English News and I am Victoria Rajkumari with all the top story this Monday. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin inaugurated the Barak Spring Festival 2017 at Senapati today. The Chief Minister lighted the festival fire marking the opening of festival at the Senapati Mini Stadium ground. People of Senapati accorded a warm welcome to Chief Minister. The festival will be held for 2 days. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin was presented with shawl, traditional war attire, vegetables and fruits of 5 different cultures. The opening ceremony was also attended by Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar, MLAs, parliamentary secretaries and top officials of both civil and police. Large number of people from Senapati district were also present on the occasion. The festival will showcase comedy shows, Barak melody, ecological and environment-concerned talent hunts, etc. Cultural performances were the highlights of the opening ceremony today.
Nagagi issues, mayamgi issues ni. Peace ki damakkalapa initiative puding Manipur ki praja mayam amadi Manipur sarkar na matam puna magtataram open. Santi ki lambi da lakwa, Santi ki damakka thiri lambi doi koi madu da kaida unung doi koi madu ki disturbance piro. Santi kadana, ekoi da niyo bagi punsi Hingmin na nabi wakulo, lemin na nabi wakulo tuloy. Amuk suhay ki baduni, pena daba, nungay na daba, sauna ba, laiba kuning through dialogue. What is Hanabatay?
Commerce and Industry Minister T.H. Biswajit launched a Banana Fiber Development Center at the branch lab of CSIR, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Lamphel today. Speaking on the occasion, the minister said the industry department is ever willing to help the trained artisans of the state. For the development of state, development of industry is a must. The minister said that there are natural resources available in abundance in the state which we have not investigated yet. He said it is high time we innovated to produce items surrounding us in a more productive manner. On the other hand, Minister Biswajit blamed the previous government for not helping the farmers, entrepreneurs and other talented artisans of the state, leading to spike in unemployment. He said the current government is trying to help artisans of both the hills and the valley of the state by providing central sponsor schemes. Biswajit called for the need for working unitedly to develop a society.
Because one of the prime minister program, industry department market is kan chanjali interaction kautara covered karida ubira mani adna apam kudi mak kalai industrial space promote ba aduga thama hon ba state ki island ba at the same time akuli ba bipun kudi mak che employment and money to koi target.
Taking part in the event, Law and Revenue Minister Karam Sham asserted that the Banana Fiber Development Center launched today will help the people of the state, particularly the artisans. He said it's time the people of Manipur stopped depending on government jobs and created self-employment. Karam Sham also appealed CSIR and the state government to provide training to the youth and also assist them financially. 5-day training program on novel products based on ethnic designs and fabrics on Northeast India also kicked off at the event. Director of CSIR, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Jorhat, Assam, Dr. D. Ramaya, Principal Scientist of CSIR, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Lamphel, Dr. H. Bir Kumar, and many scientists and experts from outside the state were present on the occasion.
Manipur ni masih awam Bharat Itanagar Zorat magi headquarter jadi later itu namanya importance ini je. Kalau isang ini kita lagi tu isen ada sini, jadi semua orang ruling yang apa kanda, anda sahaja jadi politician wisnu, anda sanggar wisnu, anda paisa payah wisnu, ada macam sudah sahaja ni person itu tahu yang si no pun ngeloi, working predict amal kanda.
Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawjam Shyam Kumar has appealed to the people to be responsible in order to safeguard the flora and fauna of our environment. He was speaking on the occasion of International Day for Biological Diversity today. Directorate of Environment Manipur government observed the International Day for Biological Diversity under the theme Biodiversity and Sustainable Tourism at Manipur State Film Development Society Hall. Speaking further, Shyam Kumar said there is no point developing many eco-parks and gardens if there are no birds found. He said it is important to love the animals and that human beings play an important role in maintaining our ecosystem. The minister said one needs to understand that we can attract tourists only when we maintain the beauty of nature.
Mathang da giri suma function ji koi state ki function ji mafam de koina hojik leba jaga jaga do cha chalaga koi khong mafam de pangthok de madun hena ji phaboi gane to in sum ji koi tabu su daga le mohok sana le janamba tha uche myam sing koi gi miui bajing ji makhal lamani ai su jangai mi jangai uche ga mai para phan uche se ha ado khan sana khalle ba sum uche tu bo koi nungsi ba hai ta nungsi ba gi no du utab adi sa ma la su ha na ba khalle isona koi de pina ba nga yen ji marang kaina koi gi pirami sinate koi Loktak paibu usiek adik water body khale adik usiek si parakan migrant bird mem parakan eba masi lang thaksil lakani masi hatu lakane sigi sanabi me khoi kok sida khoi Manipur jati singi kok sida ai jong si kok si masi akana first let's remove this thought si lokthok gan khoi si punamak singam gane.
As part of the International Day for Biological Diversity, Hari Khagok Makong Development Committee organized a tree plantation program around the palace, popularly known as Changabong. Indigenous trees like Hairangoi, Melei, Uningthau, Laihau, Manahai, Korpur, Bokul, Hari Khagok, Hari Khothang, Pungphai Taran, etc., which are on the verge of extinction, were planted today. Titular King Sanajawa appealed to people to plant more trees to save the environment.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯡꯁꯜꯂꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯟꯕꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯕꯦꯜ ꯋꯥꯔꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯕ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯡꯐꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯆꯥꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯃꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯎꯄꯥꯜ ꯋꯥꯄꯥꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯏꯕꯨꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯎꯄꯥꯜ ꯋꯥꯄꯥꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯃꯍꯧꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯟ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯏꯪ ꯑꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯔꯤ ꯈꯥꯒꯣꯛ ꯃꯈꯣꯡ ꯗꯦꯚꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯀꯝꯃꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ 22 ꯃꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯀꯣꯅꯨꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯊꯨꯡꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯎ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
5 councillors of Wangjing Municipal Council, including its chairperson, joined the BJP today. BJP is now a majority in the 9-member Wangjing Municipal Council. The councillors who have joined the party today are Chairperson Tongbram Ongbi Nineshwari, Vice Chairperson Haikrujam Gaurango, Councillor of Ward Number 7 Pechimayum Roni Devi, Councillor of Ward Number 9 Takhelambam Noren, and Councillor of Ward Number 5 Narembam Binoy. They were accorded a warm welcome by President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Khetrimayum Bhavananda, and Education Minister T.H. Radhesham. Speaking to media persons, Bhavananda said the trust of people in the Biren-led BJP government has increased. He said this government will bring about a change in the state. T.H. Radhisham said it is becoming clear that the people trust the BJP-led government in the state and that the 5 councillors who have joined BJP today trust the party. He said the government will not break this trust of the people of Manipur.
Prajagi trust sama kuida lakpa madugi ichel duni ngasi lepa leitana chenjel BJP da si apabu khudam ni man ma khangbi rabaduni koi Manipur ahong mama sungoi soidana thun uba phangagani koi grassroots level lagi koi local body sing bokta akoina sarkar afaba ma akoi ahong mama purakpa taragadi local body sing jau khoi khut saminaraga chamin bagi mathok di amna taba hoji kui dini phal municipality su khoi gi BJP gi oidore jiri bam jo khoi gi oidore adon BJP da thajaba pirei basing asi hoji ki da nating asi tungi khoi gi issue sing na hayeng tungda oirkadoba Manipur dina khoi ngasi ugadabasi.
Kanglei Park Student Association KSA has lauded the state government for appointing an indigenous person as an Advocate General of High Court of Manipur. Speaking to media person at his office at Segarok, President of KSA Boirangthem Lakshman appreciated the Chief Minister for listening to the people and appointing Senior Advocate N. Kumarjit as the Advocate General. He further expressed hope that the government will continue to work for the people. He said KSA stands against the appointment of outsiders for government jobs in Manipur. He appealed to the government to consider the sentiments of people and also urged the outsiders not to seize any opportunities of the indigenous people.
Akoi karigumba ashoiba notification recommend gi akoi notification amagi makhada masana khangna natraga khangdana saruk yabiruba apply tawbiruba natraga examination phambi khraba nan Manipuri sinau singnasu lairiba miyam gi apamba sentiment mayam si kai khunabira kanda thangjiliba khongpham adu athubada handokpiduna isana isabu mairan bi obidana basu kese gi maikai de aroi boina mari lenaba khuding ga bhamda ufam simat thamjare.
Now let's take a small commercial break. We'll be right back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English News. A person has been beaten badly by the Manipur police and is currently undergoing treatment at Jennings. The injured is identified as 34-year-old S.H. Benjit, son of late S.H. Angoba from Khongman Atom Lerak. Upon receiving the news of the incident, media person rushed to Jennings. Benjit told media person that there was a car parked at his gate last evening when he was returned from fishing. He pushed the car aside from conveniences. Later, a group of women came to the side claiming that they are owners of the car. An argument prevailed for a while. A team of Irilbung police arrived at the spot and took Benjit away and beat him black and blue without giving any reasons. Benjit later requested the police and was taken to Jennings last night around 10:30. Benjit told the media person that he is deeply hurt by the acts of the police.
Gari 800 gari yamal kama thana me koi thongan te yam chaw thongan ate adudi maning de illage na maning de illaga gari thana me yum thauja laga dum change ba nupi yohum lai koi ba change adu du tawnare dai chawning ba dai ai ju in ba mo je tusan ko jan tawre ba adudi mayam chang khamna khona to de mo ju chakre police la e ba warren adu ti kamai to no kopna a nyam khangra kopra to we police o kanda I starting purage I am Kangura, Duyan Kangurana, Chetarakoneva, an issue with Adugi the Tariba Osido, Aduga never tea purage.
Kishamthong Hodam Lerak Yumjaw Laidenbi Maira Paibi Nupi Kanglup has appealed the relevant authorities to distribute PDS items under the National Food Security Act. Speaking to media person at Hodam Lairenbi Club, Secretary of the LUP, Laisra Mangita said rice under NFSA was not distributed for 6 months by the previous government. Although the new government has distributed rice to the people of Kishamthong constituency, each beneficiary of Ward number 11, Hodam Lerak, was provided only with 4 kgs each, unlike previous occasions. Mangita further claimed that in the neighbouring Singjamai constituency, beneficiaries have been provided 5 kg each per news reports. She appealed to relevant authorities and the concerned MLA to distribute the appropriate quantity to the beneficiary of Kishamthong.
हानागी मांगीबसें था तरुकी फंगीदेबसे थांगनबा केंद्रसिना फंगबनिना ngasi न्यूज़पेपर दा यावराबनिना कोइगिसु मसिगी अवाटपसे हाना फंगीदेबसे थिगतपिरगा मरी लेनबा खोगी लोकल मिनिस्टर अमदी डिपार्टमेंट सिंगना अमदा थिगतपिना खोजु फंगनबियु हाने खोगी सुम लायरबा प्रजा मयामसिगी चेंगसे मतपीगनु मसिदा राजनीति सानबिगनु खोगी फंगबम थोकपदो कनाना लालिबनो कदाइदा चंगिबनो दो मीगी केंद्रना फंगिबा सुमाइना सबचाबा चाकथुंग केजी मंगा मंगा से खोई फंगनबियु.
People of Khundrakpam Mayai Laikai, Khundrakpam Awang Laikai and Khundrakpam Makha Laikai have claimed that they are not receiving any PDS items under the National Food Security Act. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, ration card holder of the constituency, Kaisham Netrajit said PDS items given by the government for the poor and the needy to shop number 11, 23 and 24 of the constituency have not been distributed yet. He said the people have not received items under National Food Security Act since last December.
30% se pipa pro na ka khibin hai masal masabus contractor ne hai jam khak laga adu no yaring ai di negotiate tau se hai ko negotiate tau ba hi kai no koi public ki di no sieng se na pipi gera natraga madugi value da market rate ta prajada ashawai ne hen thopi gera masigi pota no na pa ma musu sto ga ko hai biu hai ba kan da masi yarak ta badagi masi dum sat khre hai bu pose ko ngasi ngasi mang di sida lengai da thok thok ne pipa pro na kak pi ba seng bo re ga di numir humni gi mang do seng dok piro ko gi lokoi pam thok pa ekai sing sigi oi ba ko gi sakthung mat khi ba gi ko lokoi pam thok ba thabak sing ado da khor sa ne ha.
National Food Security Development Committee Lilong has alleged that the PDS items of the beneficiaries under the National Food Security Act 2013 for 6 months had been withdrawn by the Lilong MLA and his workers. The committee also submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister in this regard and raised a complaint to Minister Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club, member of the committee Insauddin said, All India Tanzim-e-Insaf, Lilong Local Council, All Manipur Muslim Development Council and Lilong Political Unified Link have raised the issue with the MLA and sub-dealers. Since they did not pay any heed to the request, the committee decided to submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister.
Lilong Kendra ki Honorable MLA na mamangi mangki ba posak tu na MLA duna daita lauraga madugi mara leibudu thidok pada ashawu matiang pangbina na bai damakta organization ahumna changsin biu haibadagi aikhoi ngasi di local MLA da su changchan gre chap chaba mara leina leiba adugumba praja gi hak matpa huran ba singdugi mathakta dandi pina na bagi damakta makhal makha kaya gi khongjang changchan na ba praja gi iroina changchan na bagi damakta organization ahumna sem saduna leire.
Ras Medicity and Jennings Blood Bank jointly organized a blood donation camp under the Corporate Social Responsibility (CSIR) scheme at Ras Medicity today. The camp was organized under the theme Donate Blood Save Lives. Around 60 employees of Ras Medicity donated blood at the camp.
Blood diver posi lay with the fang the bat, Sabaya the Baduma Potamon and Sivoda. Medical science and chocolate, blood sabungum pot the putopungum. And the blood diver posi any emergency case that a quick trauma case the blood sumate with the garlic. And a quick Ras Medicity trauma center labor Maramorga, blood kid darkasi, as we am a lake.
Apun Bayraipa Meheroi Sinpan Luv Aims observe its 5th Foundation Day today. The day was observed under the theme The Role of Students to Instill Love for Motherland at its AIMS office at Kwakaithel Girls High School. As part of the observance, gifts were also distributed to children of various orphanage homes. Cultural activist Ningthauja Lanja, convener of CIRA, Somorendro Thokchum, Assistant Director of Human Rights Law Network T.H. Premlata were among those present at the event. Pre-production ceremony of Loya Ngamba and Ahingshina Loikraga, the 10th and 11th production of Raj Kumar films, was held today at Hot Pot Restaurant, Wangkai Kaithel, Asangbi. Loya Ngamba is edited and directed by K.P. Das, while the story is written by Mikshan Ras. Screenplay, dialogue and lyrics is by Pran Yungkham. The film is produced by Tarzan Chakpram. Poirei Thokchom is the music director of the film. Boniam, Bala, Ratan Lai, Jasmine, Loken, Idhau, Konikar, Gita, Gayatri, Prem Sharma, Sanathoy and Sweetie are the lead artists of the film. The 11th production of Mikshan Ras, Ahingshina Loikraga, is edited and directed by Hemanta Kuman. Story is written by Gopi. Gopi is also the producer of the film. Screenplay, dialogue and lyrics are given by Pran Yungkham, and Poirei Thokchom is the music director of the film. Bala, Roshan, Belondi, Suchitra, Loken, Idhau, Gita, Gayatri and Sanathoy are the lead artists of the film. Weavers trained under the skill development program of Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana were distributed certificates at an event held at Wangjing Hodamba Community Hall in Thoubal district today. 600 trainees who took part in the skill development program organized by Chanu Creation, Thangweiban in February this year were distributed certificates by the chief guest of the event, member of Wangjing GP Ward No. 3, Abujam Akela. Among others, the events were also attended by Project Director of Chanu Creation, W. Joy Sankar. And in sports news, Manipur has entered the quarter-finals of 22nd National Senior Women Football Championship. In a match play yesterday, Manipur thrashed Karnataka by 9-0. For Manipur, NG Bala scored in a 6, 28, 37, 58 and 67 minutes of the match, striking 5 times. El Mandakiri netted twice, once in the 33rd minute and the other in the 90th minute of the match. Dangmai Grace and TH Umapati scored in the 3rd and 78th minutes of the match respectively. In the Group C matches of the tournament, Manipur defeated Goa by 4-0, and in the second match, Manipur got a walkover from Andhra Pradesh since it did not show up. The tournament is organized by Punjab Football Association at Bagua under the aegis of All India Football Federation, and 26 teams from across India are taking part in it. S. Babina and E. Bonix emerged champions in the girls and boys category respectively of the 4th state level squash championship. The championship was held at Sainik School, organized by Manipur Squash Racket Association since the 19th of this month. In the girls final, S. Babina beat Bushwara by 11-8, 11-2, 11-8. In the boys final, E. Bonix beat K. Tomba by 11-8, 11-9, 11-7. At the closing ceremony of the championship, Parliamentary Secretary of Mahud N. Indrajit, SP Imphal East IPS K. Kabir, President of Manipur Swimming Association Th. Shyam Sundar, and retired IGP IPS S. Manglem Jao distributed prizes to the winners of the championship. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren lights the festival fire marking the opening of Barak Spring Festival 2017. Commerce and Industry Minister Th. Biswajit launches a banana fiber development center at CSIR, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Lamphel Park. Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawjam Shyamkumar appeals to people to safeguard the wild animals and trees. And 5 councillors of Wangjing Municipal Council, including its chairperson, joins BJP.